question we're being asked right now is, what's the impact of tariffs on global supply chains? In the first half of the year, based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, we reported growing excess capacity across major manufacturing hubs in Asia and North America, particularly in Mexico and Canada. But in June, everything shifted. Thanks to the pause in U.S. tariffs, global supply chains ramped up and are now operating close to full capacity. The GEP Global Supply Chain Volatility Index jumped to -0.17, its strongest reading of the year, as manufacturers accelerated activity across North America, Europe, and parts of Asia. Europe has officially exited a 2-year industrial slump. Fueled by a surge in German exports and recovering domestic demand, the region's supply chains hit full capacity for the first time since 2022. Here in North America, U.S. manufacturers sharply increased purchasing, stockpiling inputs ahead of the expected end of the tariff pause. Asia also showed signs of recovery, particularly in India, Japan, and South Korea. But spare capacity remains in Southeast Asia, where purchasing continues to lag, especially in China. And despite a 10% universal U.S. tariff, cost inflation remains subdued, supply conditions are steady, and we're not yet seeing signs of significant pricing pressure. So, what's the key takeaway? June is more likely to be the calm before the storm. Beneath the surface, companies are preparing for more volatility by stockpiling materials, reshaping supplier networks, nearshoring operations, and securing supply chain financing. Visit www.gep.com/volatility to download this month's full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.